So here is the update. Over the past 25 days or so, we have been transforming this space. It was completely cluttered at one point, then it was completely empty, and now we've added some elements, added some paint, added some things that allow us to have a simple space for clarity to think, create, strategize. It's been a really cool journey to see it all come together because it's not just about transforming a room. I really wanted to see a space come together that really represented the change that can also happen in our lives. And so I want to show you some of the things that we've done in this space, and hopefully it can inspire you to also just take whatever you have. You don't need some huge budget to be able to do it. You can take simple things. Some of the things may already be in your home. It just needs to be painted, touched up, pulled from the garage, dusted off, but you can put things together according to how you want to see it look and create something incredible. And so let's take a look around. I want to show you a few things. I want to show you how it came together, and hopefully, again, it inspires you to go on your own journey as we do this together. So there it is. We are making progress. It's not final, but progress has been made. You don't have to have this perfect thing. You can take what you have and make progress with that thing and just make updates as you go. This can be an incredible journey. I'm glad that you are here. Hope you are inspired. Hope there's something that happens on the inside of you that says, I can do this. I can create. I can be more intentional with this life that I have been given. Let's keep it going. Shout out to all the community that's building, that's coming together, that's communicating, that's in the comments, all that good stuff. Hey, this is only the beginning of this journey. Let's continue to grow it together. See you in the next video.